With its natural beauty, rich biodiversity, and vibrant heritage, Sri Lanka precedes its reputation as the precious pearl of the Indian Ocean. By straddling maritime routes and providing trade and support for the East and the West for many years, its location makes it a strategic trading and logistical hub in South Asia. Over the recent years, Sri Lanka has exported a wide range of agricultural and industrial products to over 50 foreign markets. Accounting for 1/5 of its GDP, the exports continue to serve as a major engine of growth for the country's economy, as well as its imports. Yet traders, SMEs, and young entrepreneurs still face challenges when trying to participate in international trade. Centralised, accurate, and up-to-date information on trade procedures is often hard to access, resulting in additional costs and delays that weaken their capacity to trade. Finding answers to common questions like,
what are the required documents that I have to provide to import or export a specific product?
Who do I contact for procedure completion or recourse communication?
How much do I have to pay and how much time will it take?
It's often complicated and time-consuming. With the practical step-by-step functionality of the Sri Lanka Trade Information Portal, trade-related information is made available and easy to use for traders like you. Let's take a look at a concrete example. A trader who wishes to export tea will select Export under the type of operation, Tea under the type of product, and click Search. The system then shows the following options. The full procedure view, perfect for the first-time trader. Here you will find the complete step-by-step export or import guide for your product. Direct access to particular license and permit procedures, or view more information on a specific clearance destination. So let's assume you're a first-time tea trader. Let's go take a look at the full export procedure by clicking the link. The step-by-step guide indicates here that you will need to complete 41 mandatory steps. On the summary page, we can see that in order to complete this step, you need to visit these 15 agencies, where you will receive a total of 16 different results. You will see here 77 required forms and documents are needed to be submitted throughout this procedure. And if you're unsure how they look, all the documents displayed are easy to view at the click of a button. The estimated total costs of the full procedure are displayed here, as well as the total time required. If you wish to view the normative acts and legal justifications in relation to your product's procedures, the information is also provided. In general, all the mentioned points give you, as the trader, an overall understanding of your product's selected procedure. Now let's take a look at one of the steps. For example, Step 19. Submit the required documents to register as an exporter and a tea packer with the tea board. In order to complete this step, you will find all the necessary contact details, such as the address of the building, the department opening hours, and the person in charge, in this case the Assistant Tea Commissioner. The expected result of this step is also displayed. A detailed list of documents needed to be submitted, depending on your needs, are displayed here. You can also click on any document to preview, download, and print. The estimated time to complete the step is broken down into these 3 stages: waiting time in queue, attention at counter, and waiting time until next step. You may also see the normative legal acts that are applicable to this step. The accuracy of all the information provided on this step is certified and dated by the Deputy Tea Commissioner. All certified steps are indicated by this rosette, including the last date of modification. If, however, you face problems or disputes, contact information to the relevant authorities is provided, as well as these web forms to report incorrect information or suggest a simplification to the procedure. The costs of this registration process are displayed in Step 20. Here you will find all payments required and the accepted methods, either by cash or check. The structure displayed in these steps are consistent in all export and import procedures, and you will notice that some steps in this procedure can be completed online, indicated with the orange symbol. To find out more, visit the website now.